The geometry of divination, translated into sound, is the practice of turning pattern meaning structures into sonic events whose structure is itself the oracle. Across traditions, this happens in two major ways: counting sound to generate symbolic geometry and sonifying natural forces whose patterns are interpreted as signs. Divinatory geometry becomes sound when numerical or elemental patterns are mapped into sonic structures, rhythms, frequencies, timbres, or spatialized audio, so that the shape of the omen is heard rather than seen. In classical Chinese sound casting, the geometry is numerical. You count acoustic events. The count is converted into trigrams via modulo 8 forming hexagrams. The resulting hexagram is a geometric symbol whose meaning is interpreted. This is geometry translated into sound, because the sonic event provides the number and the number generates the geometric figure. Sonic geometry here. Sequences of sounds, numeric ratios. Ratios, trigram geometry. Trigram geometry meaning this is a numerical geometry of omen structure. This is a numerical geometry of omen structure. In Tibetan sky divination, the geometry is elemental rather than numeric. Signs in earth, water, fire, wind, and space, especially atmospheric or sky phenomena, are interpreted as pattern relationships. When translated into sound, this becomes sonification of elemental dynamics. Wind direction, picture spatialization, atmospheric pressure, low frequency oscillation, electromagnetic variation, tempo shift, fire or light phenomena, amplitude or spectral brightness. This is geometry because elemental systems form structured relationships, and the sonification expresses those relationships as audible pattern. Modern divination inspired interfaces, especially convert atmospheric geometry. Wind force, air quality, atmospheric pressure, electromagnetism. These are mapped into multi-channel soundscapes. The geometry is the dynamic structure of the atmosphere, and the sound is its audible topology. This is divination translated into sound, because ancient omen reading of weather becomes modern sonification of atmospheric geometry, turning the signs into audible patterns instead of visual ones. Cymatic shows that sound itself generates geometry. Hexagons, mandalas, lattices, when frequencies vibrate matter. This reverses the direction. Sound geometry. But in divination, this can be used bidirectionally. Sacred numbers. Sacred numbers. Sacred numbers. Sacred numbers. Frequencies, geometric patterns, pattern and symbolic meaning. Thus the geometry of divination becomes audible harmonic structure. What geometry of divination?
Under the black felt sky, I ride where the grass leans low, cold air in my chest, stone in my throat, it glows. Your name in the distance, like a fire under snow. I breathe it in, I breathe it out. The old road wakes and turns around. Step the echo, call me home. Step the echo, through bone and bone. Step the echo. Three horses moving slow, who strike the frozen dirt. A silver cup in my hand for the ones who left first. I sing till the night, till the night knows my earth. I breathe it in, I breathe it out. The old road wakes and turns around. Step the echo, call me home. Step the echo, through bone and bone. Step the echo. Like sparks in the darkened plain, I bend low to the earth and answer back again. Step the echo, call me home. Step the echo, through bone and bone. Step the echo. Under the black felt sky, I ride where the grass leans low, cold air in my chest, stone in my throat, it glows. Your name in the distance, like a fire under snow. I breathe it in, I breathe it out. The old road wakes and turns around. Step echo, call me home. Step echo, through bone and bone. Step echo. Three horses are moving slow, who strike the frozen dirt. A silver cup in my hand for the ones who left first. I sing to the night till the night